Everybody, Jim King, King Piers out here in Liberty, Missouri. Total of 7 King Pier jobs, and I gave the homeowner a free pier over here where the door is going into the garage. The floor is all broke up. They've got some floor issues. It's about the subgrade underneath the floor. This outside back wall here we raised about 1 inch exactly, and it's perfectly level. I was hoping this floor would come up a little bit and take the hump out, but it didn't. This floor has rebar in it, and sometimes it holds it where it's at, but the footing along the back side of the house is raised. Everything reads level. The only issue now is where the door going into the garage, but we're gonna fix that. Kind of screwed up out here. I only had enough piers to do the 7 piers. The 8th pier and plate, I had to order more piers, so that took a couple of days. So we pulled off here, but we'll be done tomorrow with everything. Saturday, I think we'll come back and we'll backfill with the dirt and totally be done with it Saturday, probably before noon. So, been a real nice job. The homeowners here are really good people. Everybody I've worked with in Liberty has been excellent customers. So, yeah, been another good job for King Piers. 816-521-8915. If you need to get a hold of me, if your house is sinking, call me. The only guarantee that you can find to raise your footing back to its correct elevation is King Piers. Or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.